Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change voice on Google Maps. You can easily change the Google Maps voice that gives you directions by changing its language on Google Maps. So in order to do that, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your Google Maps application from your Android device or your iOS device. In today's video, I'm using my Android device. Once you open up your Google Maps, tap on your profile image at the top right-hand corner from the main home page. Now click on Settings from the expanded pop-up menu. Scroll down until you find Navigation Settings option and tap it on. From the Navigation Settings page, tap on Voice Selection and select the language of the voice you want to hear when Google Maps tells you directions by selecting one of these options displayed on the screen. Once you select your language, you'll be able to change the Google Maps voice instructions on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.